Welcome to CarParts.com. Has your vehicle failed an emissions test? Check for the following problems: bad oxygen sensor, bad spark plugs, dirty air filter, faulty evaporated emission control system or EVAP, loose gas cap, rich fuel mixture, exhaust leaks, or a faulty catalytic converter. You can also use a scan tool to detect any error codes. If one appears, track down the source of the issue and fix it, or consult a mechanic. If your vehicle passes its next emissions test, you won't need a new catalytic converter. If you need help in choosing a new catalytic converter, check out this video. Need further assistance? Contact our customer service team via live chat. We're happy to help.